Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a Mazda CX-3. This is on a 2015 and it's a 1.5 Sky Active, but this diagnosis applies to the 2.2 as well, so they do the same thing. So what's happening is they've got a chuffing noise, they've got an oil pressure warning light, they've got burning smell, oil leak, lots of issues, and it all comes down to one thing, and I'm going to show you right now in this video. So all the faults that I've just mentioned are down to these injectors. So the injector seals fail, and then as you can see here, this is actually all cleaned up as best we can get it off at the moment. We have still got some cleaning to do, but all the carbon blows past the injector seals, and this is the seal that sits on top of the rocker cover here, and the injector goes through this big hole. But as you can see, it's completely knackered. So not only do we need to replace all 4 injector seals, we need to replace all 4 oil seals that go into the rocker cover as well. The other ones weren't too bad, but obviously starting to fail. The actual injector seals themselves, they do this. So they start to oval, and then you get gases blow by. This one's not too bad. The gases blow by, they get into your oil, and then what actually happens is, you'll see in a minute, we could take the ramp up. We have to take the sump off because the oil pickup gets completely blocked with carbon. So let's just go up in the air and I'll show you that now. So this is the sump off of the vehicle. And this is what it looks like. So you've got a load of 10 mils around the outer edge. Undo all those. Pry off the sump very carefully, not to bend it if you're going to reuse it. And this part here, which would be this bolts on with 2 8mm, and inside of here you can just see there's completely blocked solid from both ends, absolutely blocked solid. So when the oil pressure is trying to increase, obviously lubricate your engine, it's starving the engine of oil, and if this goes on for too long, you will have a complete engine failure. But obviously the customers come to me after going to a black and orange department for diagnostics, and all they got was an oil change and sent on their way. The actual fault lies within this piece, so this piece needs replacing or cleaning out so it's completely clear. Once that's done, we can put it back together, and the oil pickup, all the oil in the sump will be able to go into the oil pump and then be fed around the engine correctly. And when you've replaced all of the copper washers on the injectors and then the oil O-rings on the top, once you've put it all back together and then you put a fresh oil in it, with that filter unblocked, the engine will then get all of the oil it needs, the correct oil pressure. We'll be able to go in with the scanner, clear out any codes, go on a road test to make sure everything's okay. But that's going to get rid of your chuffing noise, your burning smell, your oil pressure fault, and hopefully make the engine last a lot longer. So if you've got any questions, leave comments down below and I'll try and answer them best I can. But that's just a quick diagnostic on the Sky Active Mazda engine. It's a common fault. I'll try and list out the fault codes as well for you down in the description. And this one, the injector was so crudded up, I'll try and put a picture on the screen. We actually had to use special tools and slide hammers and stuff to get them out. But once it's all done, it's going to be a great car. If you like the content, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.